artificial intelligence system scanning the night sky helped astronomers find a supermassive black hole in a place where one should be very hard to spot, more than 30,000 light-years from the center of its galaxy. The discovery began with the Zwicky Transient Facility, which detects roughly 500,000 flashes every night. In November 2025, a new algorithm flagged an unusual brightening in a galaxy about 750 million light-years away. The flare looked like a tidal disruption event, a star being torn apart after passing too close to a black hole even though it appeared far out in the galaxy's outskirts. Follow-up spectra and observations from NASA's Swift Observatory helped rule out other explanations. The team estimates the black hole has about 1 million times the mass of our Sun. For several months, the event outshone its entire host galaxy in ultraviolet light and briefly radiated with the light of about 10 billion suns. Findings were published in the astrophysical journal Letters. The artificial intelligence did not discover the physics by itself. It filtered an enormous stream of survey alerts and surfaced a promising anomaly. Astronomers then used multiple telescopes, spectroscopy, temperature measurements, and scientific judgment to establish what the event most likely was. That human and machine division of labor is the important part. Researchers still do not know exactly how the black hole ended up so far from a galactic core. It may have been ejected during a complicated galaxy merger, or it may still belong to a smaller galaxy being absorbed by a larger one. More discoveries could reveal how common these wandering black holes really are. Now for today's signal boost, Kimi K3 is a striking open-weight model, but open does not mean desktop-sized. Moonshot AI describes K3 as a 2.8 trillion parameter mixture of experts model with 104 billion parameters active per token, native vision, and a 1 million token context window. The company released the weights under its K3 license and recommends VLLM SGLang or token speed for deployment. Here is the hardware reality check. The weights use 4-bit quantization. Multiplying 2.8 trillion parameters by half a byte implies roughly 1.4 terabytes for raw parameter data alone, before runtime overhead, activation memory, caches, and distribution across accelerators. That figure is a mathematical estimate, not a published minimum. Most independent creators will realistically access K3 through an API, a hosted provider, or serious multi-GPU infrastructure rather than one consumer graphics card. My takeaway is that scale means two very different things this week. Artificial intelligence can shrink 500,000 nightly device alerts into a discovery candidate, while an open model can be far too large for ordinary local hardware. Which excites you more? AI helping scientists find hidden objects in the universe, or frontier model weights becoming inspectable even when they are not yet practical at home? If these quick AI updates are useful, like the video and subscribe for more. I'll keep tracking what changes and why it matters.